So today we're in this gorgeous home in Kent, and in today's video I'm going to be talking you through this Burnout outdoor kitchen that we've just finished installing. So when I first started talking to the customer about this project, I think there was actually a planter on here. So they've had a lot of work done. This garden is all fairly recently done and it looks absolutely incredible. I mean, I just to walk through, just down there, you've got like a lower section down there with a hot tub. You can see there's cedar cladding absolutely everywhere. They've got an AstroTurf sort of lower terrace here with that water feature. There's more seating over there. Up on the top there, you've got a sort of sunbathing and seating terrace, and the way that they've set out all of the planting is so that it gives them privacy from all the surrounding homes. So it really is well thought out. There's lighting everywhere. At night it looks amazing. All of these plants and trees, just look at all the different colours. It looks absolutely incredible. And like I mentioned before, there was a planter here before, and they just had this decking down. So I think this is millboard decking. So what we did was we decided that they had their own contractors do this, but they took that planter out, and instead of trying to extend this grey decking here all the way up to the wall, which would have meant like a horrible join along there, they've changed the colour of it and just swapped the planter for a separate coloured decking going that way, which is what the kitchen now sits on. So it really does look like it was made to measure for the kitchen. So this is a Burnout kitchen. So Burnout are a German manufacturer. They came over to the UK, I think 2022. They're really high-end outdoor kitchens built to the highest quality. So they're modular units. Every single one is individual. They all have separate rolls. So they are all made of stainless steel framing, and then they have composite doors and drawer fronts. There are lots of different colours of the drawers and the drawers. You can also have the frames powder coated, so you can have them like a black colour. I think you can have them white. There's lots of different options and layouts that you can have with the Burnout. They also have a configurator online, which you can access through our website, where you can design your own kitchen. You can play about with it. You can add any different barbecue, charcoal grill, pizza oven, anything like that. And then you will then get a dealer code that you can send to us. We can then cost that for you, and we can take it from there. So we'll start down this end. Actually, before we start down there, I'll just talk about the worktops here. So the Burnout kitchens do come with their own worktops. They come with decked-on worktops. With the Burnout, each unit has its own separate worktop. So when you put them together, you do have lines in between the one. You have joins between them. It is an option to just get them without the worktops, which is what happened in this case, and the customer has got their own worktops. This is called decked-on fossil, and I guess the advantage of this is that you have a complete run of decked-on without any joins in it. You can see also that we put waterfalls on the end here, waterfall on the end, same on the other end there. And we've also got a little splashback at the back there, which just ties it in nicely into the fence. So coming down, let's start down this end here. So you can see this unit here, this is a pull-out tank drawer. So you can see in here, we've got a gas cylinder in there. There's also a baseball bat as well, an essential for barbecuing. That actually comes out as well. That's a drawer that comes out. Above there, you've got the Napoleon side burner. So this is a gas hob. So this is great for boiling things, frying things. You know, you can have your frying pans on there. That gets really hot really quickly. Coming along to here, this is the Napoleon Pro 500. So this is an amazing piece of kit. It's completely stainless steel. It's got 4 main burners and it's got 1 infrared back burner there. It comes with a rotisserie as well. Everything is stainless steel inside, the grids and the burners. So this is in the Prestige Pro range, there are 3 sizes. You've got the 500, which is this one. You've got the 665, which you may have seen on other videos. And then there's an 825, which is even bigger again. But these are fantastic grills. These are probably the ones that we sell the most of in the UK. Underneath that, you've got this undergrill unit. So this has 2 huge drawers here. This is great for keeping all accessories and things like that. The customers have got their crockery in there at the minute. Coming along to here, this is a double drawer unit. So here you've got these both. This drawer is about 1200 mil wide. So these are about 600 mil wide each. These. So you've got cutlery drawers at the top there, and then underneath that you've got 2 pan drawers. Plenty of space there. You've got glasses in there, Tupperware boxes in there. Everything is soft close as well. It's all German engineering. You've got your pizza paddle and things in there, and again more Tupperware for storage. Coming along to here, we've got a glass-fronted stainless steel fridge. So this is great for keeping all your drinks cold. You can keep your food in there as well. There is an option. There's another unit, so you can have a double fridge, sorry, as well, if you want to have that. And then coming along to here, you've got another 1200 unit. And on this side, this has got a pull-out drawer with the gas tank in it, same as at the other end. And it's also got, so we did a bit of a change on here. I don't know if you want to come around and have a look. So you can get, with Burnout, you can get a bin unit. Now the bin unit has a circle cut out of the worktop with like a stainless steel lid that goes on it. And that then has a bin that goes underneath there. So you can literally open it up, put your rubbish in there, and then you can open the cupboard and take the bin out. Because of the Gozney and the way that was situated, it wouldn't really have worked with that circle. So what we did is we got rid of that circular thing. We got a different bin online and we put that down here. So you've still got the bin there. We put the shelf back in there, so you've got the storage for your covers and everything else in there, but you've still got the bin there. Here you've got the Gozney Dome. This is the cream version, the bone colour. So this is an amazing pizza oven. It's dual fuel. It will run on wood and it will run on gas. Perfect for doing pizzas, but also good for doing steaks and fish and lots of other things. So if you'd like to see another video like that, I'll leave a link to that up here. If you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, you're looking for some ideas, head over there and watch that. We try and release these videos about once a week, and the whole idea is just to give anyone that's interested in outdoor kitchen some ideas and some inspiration for what they want to do. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram. We try and post on there 3 or 4 times a week just to show you what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.